Respect isn't just given, it's earned. Welcome back to Top Rack Facts, where today we're diving into 10 powerful ways to command respect from others while maintaining self-respect. Get ready to transform the way people see you and how you see yourself. I'm your guide on this journey to self-improvement. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to commanding respect in any situation and ensuring you always hold on to your self-respect. Number 1, confidence. Confidence is the cornerstone of commanding respect. When you carry yourself with confidence, people are more likely to listen and take you seriously. This means standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and speaking with conviction. Your body language should reflect your inner belief in yourself. Confidence is not arrogance. It's about having faith in your abilities and being comfortable in your own skin. Practice positive self-talk, set achievable goals, and celebrate your successes. Over time, these small steps will build your confidence, and others will naturally start to respect you more. Additionally, remember that confidence also involves acknowledging your limitations and working to improve them, showing humility and a willingness to grow. Number 2, set boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential for maintaining self-respect and commanding respect from others. Clear boundaries communicate what you will and won't tolerate. This includes your time, energy, and personal space. When you set boundaries, you're teaching people how to treat you. Be firm yet polite when expressing your limits. For example, if you're uncomfortable with how a colleague speaks to you, address it directly but respectfully. Setting boundaries isn't about being confrontational, it's about protecting your well-being and ensuring mutual respect. Remember, people who respect you will honor your boundaries, and those who don't aren't worth your time. Boundaries also help you avoid burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Number 3, be consistent. Consistency is a key factor in earning respect. When you are consistent in your actions, people know what to expect from you. This builds trust and reliability, which are fundamental components of respect. Whether it's in your work, your behavior, or your communication, strive to be consistent. Follow through on your commitments and maintain your standards. If you promise to deliver a project by a certain date, make sure you do. Consistency shows that you are dependable and can be relied upon. Over time, this consistent behavior will establish you as a trustworthy individual who commands respect. Consistency also involves staying true to your values and principles regardless of the situation. Number 4, show respect to others. Respect is a two-way street. To earn respect, you must first show it to others. This means treating everyone with kindness and consideration, regardless of their status or role. Listen actively when others speak, acknowledge their opinions, and show empathy. Simple gestures like saying thank you and please can go a long way. Respect is about valuing others and recognizing their worth. When you consistently demonstrate respect, it creates a positive environment and encourages others to reciprocate. Remember, the way you treat others is a reflection of your character, and it sets the standard for how you expect to be treated in return. Also, practicing respect includes being open to different perspectives and cultures. Number 5, maintain integrity. Integrity is the foundation of true respect. It means doing what's right even when no one is watching. Integrity involves being honest, ethical, and holding yourself to high moral standards. When you consistently act with integrity, people trust and respect you. This might mean standing up for what you believe in, even if it's unpopular or difficult. It also means being transparent and accountable for your actions. Integrity is not something that can be turned on and off, it's a way of life. By maintaining your integrity, you build a reputation of trustworthiness and earn the genuine respect of those around you. Integrity also requires you to be fair and just in your dealings with others. Number 6, be assertive, not aggressive. Being assertive is about expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs clearly and respectfully. It means standing up for yourself without being aggressive. Assertiveness is a balanced communication style that respects both your rights and the rights of others. When you're assertive, you say what you mean and mean what you say, but you do it in a way that's considerate. This contrasts with aggression, which often involves disrespecting others to get your way. Practice assertiveness by using I statements, staying calm, and being direct. For example, I feel frustrated when meetings start late because it disrupts my schedule. Assertiveness earns respect by showing that you value both yourself and others. It also helps in resolving conflicts amicably. Number 7, keep learning. Knowledge is power, and continuous learning is a key way to command respect. Stay curious and open to new information and experiences. This doesn't just mean formal education. It can be reading books, attending workshops, or even learning from everyday interactions. When you commit to lifelong learning, you stay relevant and adaptable. This intellectual growth not only boosts your confidence, but also earns you respect from others who admire your dedication and expertise. Share your knowledge generously and be willing to learn from others as well. A well-informed individual who values education naturally commands respect in any setting. Embracing learning also includes being open to feedback and constructive criticism. Number 8, take responsibility. Taking responsibility for your actions is crucial in earning respect. When you make a mistake, own up to it without making excuses. Apologize if necessary and take steps to rectify the situation. This shows maturity and accountability, qualities that are highly respected. Avoiding blame shifting or denial demonstrates that you have integrity and are willing to learn from your errors. Taking responsibility also means being proactive in your roles and commitments, whether it's at work or in your personal life. Being someone who can be counted on to take charge and follow through on tasks earns you the respect and trust of those around you. Responsibility also involves acknowledging the impact of your actions on others. Number 9, communicate effectively. Effective communication is essential in commanding respect. This means being clear, concise, and considerate in your interactions. Good communication involves both speaking and listening. Ensure that you articulate your thoughts and ideas clearly and confidently. Avoid jargon and be direct, but also be open to feedback and active listening. When you listen attentively, it shows that you value others' input. Good communication skills help prevent misunderstandings and build stronger relationships. People respect those who can communicate effectively because it shows competence and confidence. Whether in professional or personal settings, honing your communication skills is a powerful way to earn respect. Communication also involves nonverbal cues like body language and facial expressions. Number 10, maintain self-care. Maintaining self-care is vital for commanding respect and preserving self-respect. When you take care of your physical and mental health, you demonstrate that you value yourself. This sets a powerful example for others. Engage in regular exercise, eat well, get enough sleep, and manage stress through activities like meditation or hobbies you enjoy. Self-care also involves setting aside time for yourself and not overcommitting. When you prioritize self-care, you have the energy and resilience to handle challenges effectively. It shows others that you respect yourself enough to invest in your well-being, which in turn earns their respect. Self-care also means seeking help when needed and not neglecting your mental health. Commanding respect and maintaining self-respect isn't just about what you do, it's about who you are. By incorporating these 10 strategies into your daily life, you'll not only earn the respect of others, but also strengthen your own self-worth. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and check out one of these other videos. And remember, respect starts with you. Until next time, stay confident, stay respectful, and keep growing.